some brains in to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough never just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my
Here are the tools for making a wig cap: mannequin head, mannequin stand, needle, thread, wig cap, T-pins, and the weave on. This is the wig cap I'm using for this tutorial, and you can either get it on AliExpress or Amazon. Before placing the wig cap, I kind of identify the middle part of the wig cap so that I can easily know where to place the closure. But if you are based in Abuja, Nigeria, you can get it from Wuse Market for about 1,000 naira or 1,500 naira. I actually prefer this wig cap because of the elastic bands. Here is the hair I'm using for this video, this tutorial: body wave virgin hair in 3 bundles with lace closure from Nadula hair. They sent me 18 inches, 20, 22 and 18 inches closure. The texture is really soft. Just running my hands through it just to show you guys that it's not shading at all. The waves are neatly sewn, and this is what the closure looks like. Placing the closure, I'm just running my hands through the closure, making sure that I'm moving all the baby hairs, the tiny hairs backwards, so that I'll actually know where to place the closure. Now I'm just placing the closure on the wig cap and making sure I'm not exceeding the 2 lines on the wig cap, and then slide it down a little bit. That's the lace in front. Then pin it down with T-pins. As I'm placing the lace closure, I'm making sure that there's no gap in between the closure and the wig cap, and then I'm using T-pins to secure it down. I'm also going to do the same on the other side and at the back of the
You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel.
I'm just unrolling the hairs to the front, but you can use a clip to hold it down, but I prefer to unroll it sometimes, not always, just so that it won't interrupt the sewing. While trying to knot the thread before sewing, make sure you cut out the excess threads. Do not start stitching from the front part of the lace closure because your lace or your work will be messy. Instead, you just start from the middle or the side part so that at the end of it, it won't look messy. Stitching, I'm just going through the cap and the lace closure and then loop it round twice so that it will be very secure. Yes, this is the needle I'm using to stitch the closure and the weave on. It works better for me than the curved needle.
I could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel.
The elastic bands on the wig cap, I try as much as possible not to sew the elastic band. If you want, you can just pick up the material on the wig cap and then stitch on top of it, just to be sure of what you are stitching and to be sure you are not stitching the elastic bands. Just twist the thread twice and push the needle through the loop and drag it out, and then use razor to cut off the excess thread. We just go ahead to do the same on the other side of the lace closure and at the back too. In case if you guys don't know, I'm giving out a wig for this holiday, and if you are interested in the giveaway, I'm going to leave all the details in the description box below, and also going to leave a link to the video where I talked about the hair and everything you want to know about the giveaway.
bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
I'm done stitching the lace closure. I'm just going to go ahead to start stitching the bundles from the longest bundle, which is the 22, down to the shortest bundle, which is 18 inches. And you guys have seen me do this in different, like countless times, but this method is kind of different. So yeah, now I'm just placing the first bundle on the wig cap where I want it to be, and then using T-pins to secure it. I'm starting from the back part of the wig cap where the elastic band is, but I'm making sure that I'm not sewing the weave-on together with the elastic band, because when you sew the weave-on together with the elastic band, after sewing, the wig will become stiff. It won't stretch the way you want it to.
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything.
I'm sewing it line by line in a U shape, and also doing the turnover method. When I get to the end of the line, we just flip it over to the next line, use T-pins to secure it, and then continue sewing with needle and thread. Continue stitching in a U shape and do the turnover method until when I get very close to the lace closure. Then I'll start cutting the weft so that the hair will lay very flat.
My stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
Just continue stitching until I get very close to the lace closure, and what I really like to do is just to sew the last bundle together with the lace closure. After stitching all the bundles, I'm just using this coiler to just give the hair some coils, and I'm using tail comb to help section the hair a little bit and then coil as I go.
700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
Now that I'm done coiling coiling the hair, I'm just using scissors to cut off the excess material at the back of the lace closure, and then remove all the clips I used to hold the coils. And then after that, we'll just go ahead to apply powder on the lace closure, just so that it will look natural when I'm wearing it. What I like about this hair is that it really holds coils. Can you guys just take a look at this coils? Like, it's not loosening at all. Now I'm just running my hands through the coils just to loosen the coils a little bit, and then style it to my taste the way it will actually fit my face.
Kinda everything, yet it does.
So yeah, I'm done styling it, and here is the final look. Hope you guys like it and hope it was helpful. So if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share to friends and family. Also leave a comment on what you want to see up next on my channel, like any topic you are confused or any topic you want me to treat or talk about, a tutorial you want me to talk about. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ay.